Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. I have Chris with Stealth Acoustics. He's gonna walk through the entire lineup of these WAF speakers, the wife approval factor.
The best speakers you'll never see. So we have several applications. That's key here because there's not one speaker always fits every application. So we have 6-inch two-way. We have a two-way 8-inch. We have a dual tweeter 8-inch. This is built for your small bathrooms and closets and things of that nature. Then we have the Diapolito design 8-inch. This is built, the Diapolito is your mid-tweeter mid design that provides a clearer dialogue for your very deep rooms or very tall ceilings where maybe in the front foyer where you want audio in the front foyer. This will provide a much better audio for long throw distance. We now have the ultimate LRX83. This has quickly become our #1 speaker, as this is the best sounding speaker. You can literally put this in the wall and not tell any difference between the traditional speaker you're used to and this speaker. Then lastly, we have the new LRX85, which is hashtag the invisible tower speaker. This guy is built for all your high-end home theater rooms and maybe the audiophiles listening room in your office. And of course, you gotta have the subwoofer to make the room shake. So we've got the B30 sub that goes along with every single one of our speaker systems. And then the B22 sub that is specifically designed for our LR6 speaker. So you can easily put a LR6 and a B22 subwoofer in a kid's room and have a fantastic budget system. Thank you so much. My name is Chris, I'm with Stealth Acoustics.
All right, guys, thank you again for tuning in to another video, and thanks, Chris, for walking through the lineup.
Thank you,
If you
sir.
guys would like to purchase anything from Stealth Acoustics or anything from our other manufacturers home theater related, feel free to give us a call with our free consultation and design service. We would love the opportunity to walk through your space and help you guys out. I think it's going to wrap it up for today's video. Thanks again. This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. We'll catch you in the next one.